Cracking, shaking, and baking, y'all. And have you ever had gator? We have Backyard Bayou. I got some grilled alligator. We're doing Louisiana-inspired side dishes that's on the menu at Backyard Bayou. So we got the gumbo and rice right away. We got the shrimp coming in. That's hella good. Fire all the way. Definitely tastes like something that I find at a black cookout. We're gonna go with the bread, beans, and rice. That's hella good. We get some of these greens. Them hella good too, god damn. Sides, A1. Jambalaya. Jambalaya cool, but it ain't messing with these ones. But it's still good. And last but not least, let's rock with the gator real quick. Have y'all ever had alligator? Grilled alligator at that. Wanna dip it into the Cajun ranch? I'm really eating alligator. Oh, it kind of tastes like chicken with a texture of a steak almost. It's definitely snapping off, for sure. We at Backyard Bayou, pull up, it's very food approved.